Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And I just want to show you guys another household bundle that I just sold on Facebook. I post my bundles on Facebook as well as Facebook Marketplace. And when I say Facebook, I mean my personal page. And all of these items are items that I couponed for. I either had a coupon for them, like I had a coupon for the Snuggle, I had a coupon for the Bounty paper towels, the latex gloves I got on clearance, the bleach I got on clearance, the Pine Sol I couponed for, the All I couponed for, and the Dawn I couponed for. So you just have to find different things that you can get for cheap, put them in a bundle, and sell them. People will buy them. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, keep on saving.